Frigidaire Dishwasher Model FFCD2413US4A Troubleshooting Power and Start Issues. Power and start issues are common problems with the Frigidaire Dishwasher Model FFCD2413US4A. These issues stop the dishwasher from turning on or starting properly. Understanding the basic steps can help you fix the problem quickly. This guide covers simple checks and resets to get your dishwasher running again. Checking power supply. First, check if the dishwasher is getting power. Make sure the plug is fully inserted into the outlet. Look for any damage on the power cord. Test the outlet by plugging in another device. If the outlet does not work, try a different one. Check the circuit breaker in your home's electrical panel. Reset the breaker if it has tripped. Power issues often cause the dishwasher to not start at all. Resetting the dishwasher. Resetting the dishwasher can fix many start problems. Turn off the dishwasher by pressing the power button. Unplug the dishwasher from the outlet. Wait for about 5 minutes. This allows the internal computer to reset. Plug the dishwasher back in and turn it on. Try starting a cycle again. This simple step often clears minor errors and helps the dishwasher start normally.